Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for ETA Electronic Travel Authorization of Guinea. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, what happens is like many countries are going for this e-visa route because this just doesn't boost tourism, but it also becomes a very easy process for travelers because they can apply at the place of their convenience from their home, from their personal machines, and it's really easy to apply, right? That's why more and more countries are going to it. So the Republic of Guinea, I have opened their official visa website. So the very first thing we should do here is to select the official document, travel document that we have. For example, let's say you're applying from India, so you will select India. Now for the tourist visa, they have given the criteria fee also $80 USD, not exceeding 90 days. Less than 90 days they will issue. And what you need, valid passport, scanned copy of data page, valid return ticket, yellow fever certificate. And what is the process? Apply online. You will get an acknowledgement of email if your application is successful. And then an entry visa acknowledge. Oh, I apologize. First, there will be an acknowledgement email that you have successfully submitted. Then, if it is granted, then an entry visa letter. And once you arrive, take that letter, go to the counter to get your visa, and there your biometrics are going to be captured. This is how most e-visas work. Okay. And these are the documents you need: valid passport, more than 6 months, your entry visa letter, this one, sufficient funds to cover your expenses, return ticket, proof of accommodation. So once you have all this, click on apply now. So the very first thing it is asking you to put your email address. Then when you click on this verify email address, it's going to send a code. That code you will put in here and then you will enter this captcha and then you can go to the next stage. So I'm going to do this and then I'll update you. So I've gone through the process and now I have got this section. There I'm gonna enter information. All right. So you can see it is in three parts: part one, part two, part three. So in part one, they are asking your traveler information. So I'm gonna put some sample what you're gonna do as per your case. Okay. Date of birth. These are very easy questions, so you don't need to worry about anything. Place of birth, you can check your passport for this. Try to write down exactly what is written there. Tree of birth. Nationality, they already picked up. You need to enter as per your case, guys, not just do it the way I'm doing. Place of application. So let's say you're doing it from New Delhi. I mean, your situation. This is just a sample address. And click on save and continue. Only alphabet and is allowed. Okay. Or I'll do like this. Okay, now two more parts are created. Passport number, issue date, expiry date. This you can easily find on your passport. Issue date. Now see expiry date straight away they have taken us to September 2023. You know why? Because they have written a minimum 6 months of validity is required, so they adjusted it. That's nice. Save and continue. Yeah, now about trip visa information. So we'll go for entry visa as we read above, right? Purpose of travel, tourist, arrival date. So I'm gonna select April 6th. Okay. Departure date. I'm gonna select hotel. So hotel hero. Phone number. Local address. The sample, guys. Okay. Now, very simple. We have reached the page where it is asking us to mandatorily upload passport data page and photo. Okay. They have given this, and also photo should be at least 150 pixel in width and height. Then optional document, you can select what you are adding. In on the front page itself, they had asked for what documents are required. So make sure you add and any optional documents that you want to add that you think is going to be better for you, you can add that here as well. So when you click on save and go to the next page, there you pay the fee. So that I'm not going to do, but you got the idea. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.